Ayan, punta kaming beach. Beach time. We're going to the beach. We went to the pier.
Go
There's
this way.
nothing out there. Go this way. You don't want to walk in here? So yeah, we actually went there.
Yeah, we walked on the boardwalk.
We were just actually saying hello to some friends. But they were not catching anything as well, so they left. And yeah, so I decided to go to the beach. Second day, January 2, 2026. Sabi ko punta tayo sa beach kasi maganda. And the sun is shining. Look at the weather. It's not like it's my first time, but who doesn't love the beach, diba? Oh my god. I know, it's nice, right? January 2, 2026. There's the pier. We were there. Nothing out there. And look at that. Pretty.
Nice.
Oh, it's warming up now.
Hurry.
Warming up in a hurry. Look at that. Can't flip it though. Hello, people. I just finished all my coffee. Yeah. Pensacola Beach. There's the restaurants. Restaurants. Yeah, that's the restaurant, crab restaurants and hotels over there.
Go back up that way so we can wash our feet off when we come back.
Yeah, okay. Ganda. Pink. I'll go see outside. So they can see you as well. Pretty. It was a bit chilly this morning, but now the sun is coming out. It's already 9:30. 9:30 on a 60 degrees on January 2. Beautiful weather. Beautiful beach. And the pier over there. There's the pier over there. That's pretty. Look at that. And all the birds over there. And the water is nice. A bit cold, but yeah, water is nice. Oh my gosh, pretty weather. It's getting warmer too, so fast. Pensacola Beach. Anyways, yes, it's nice. First beach of the year, January 2. It's pretty, huh?
Very pretty.
It's pretty, very nice weather. It's a good view. Love you. Happy New Year. Oh, it's nice. Actually, it's nice. Not bad.
Too bad.
Not too bad. But you can't swim probably. It's just nice on the foot. But look at that. The water is so clear. The water is so clear. No fish today. Well, I caught the first catch of the year was little Spanish mackerel. Look at the little birdie. Oh, look at the water. So nice. We were gonna go for breakfast and we're like, nah, So we had to spend some time on the beach before we go breakfast. So eto na nga. Yep. Nothing. There's a bird! Hi, bird! Yep. See you later, beach. You know, perks of living in paradise. Right, baby?
Yep.
Yep.
Living in paradise. Yes.
First of, there's the ball, Pensacola ball. First of the many days that we come to the beach. Ooh.
Wash your feet up there.
Yep.
Actually, we'll do it up here.
Yeah, there's a washer there. And this is the public toilet right here. Public restroom. For all the beach goers. For all the beach goers. And then, yeah. Those are the restaurants. That's where we always eat, you know, in the summertime. At crabs. Ay, bilat siya na. Hindi crabs. Apit mo dagma. Yeah, and all the restaurants over there, across, condos and everywhere. Yep, and then they have a washer, a shower. This is how they do it. There's the public restroom, men, women. And then water's here, drinkable. And then here's where you wash, where you take a shower. Ang dami dito, nagpipila. During the summertime, ang daming nagpipila dito. You just press it, and then and then the shower for the other side. Woo! Oh. Just ng feet. The water is not bad actually. It's not that cold that I was expecting. Anyhow, thank you water. It will automatically turn off as well. Yep, let's go. Ooh. So, New Year's fireworks done. Next fireworks will be 4th of July in 6 months. And this is gonna be really crowded. It's crazy. New Year's fireworks is not so bad, but 4th of July here is like packed. Like this is a big parking lot. That's a parking lot over there, and this entire area here is a parking lot, but it gets full on the summertime. Okay, nice day to be out. Lunch na kami. Ayan, yung leftover pa rin natin. I have my rice, chips, salad, potato salad, coleslaw. And then ayun kasawa. Beans, potato salad, chips, coleslaw, and then macaroni salad. Kain tayo. Lunch. Luto tayo ng bacon. Halaka. Bacon and eggs for lunch. Brunch actually. This is really, and then gusto niya asawa ng scrambled eggs. So yeah. Ito tayo scrambled egg after this. Bacon time. Grabe yung oil, oh. Hindi ko ito nilagyan ng oil. Hindi talaga ako nag-grease because I know it's gonna make lots of oil. I'm watching Ray's. Sa yung vlogger from Australia. Oh! Oh my God. Wala. Ito na itong wait lang. Kuha tayo ng oil. Yeah. Silat ko siya ng maliliit. Wala na, sinunod na siya. Kasi malito yung salit na. Wow! Yan, muna yung apoy. Kasi masakit. Car wash kami ng van kasi hindi ito magkasya sa mga yung sa regular na pinapasok lang yung car. So eto kami, nandito kami sa spray, yung sariling ikaw ang maggaganyan, ikaw magka-car wash. So ayan, it says $4 deposit. Insert quarters. Wala akong coins. We only have bills. It need bills. It doesn't need, parang hindi ito tumatanggap ng bills coins yata. So I'm not sure. Kasi yung haba kasi ng van. So we'll see. You can use credit card. Credit card, blah blah blah. I don't trust it though. Anyways, add 3 more. It is $4. It says add $3 more. Add $3 more. It's running now. Yeah. Car wash na siya. Washing na yung car. Get showered. It's running. And then 4 minutes mo siyang magagamit. There's a time. There's a time running over there. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. May instructions pala siya on how to use it. Ayan, oh. For tire, low pressure, pre-soak, high pressure, brush, rinse, ceramic, spot free, rinse, and then stop. Ayun naman pala sa kabila yung brush. Tapos may mga bubbles na siya. Binabrush niya asawa yung gilid. So yan, pala, ikot-ikutin mo pala yan. Ikot-ikot siya where ano yung option. Tapos dito si asawa, yan, binabrush niya. May lumabas na bubbles yung inikot niya yung brush. Ayan. Binabrush siya. Binabrush niya yung side. May sariling bubbles na lumalabas sa brush. Punta tayo sa Filipino Asian grocery. Ayan ako. Tinink. Dito sa Asian grocery. Tinink. No solicitor. Sticker. Okay.
How you all doing today?
Good.
Doing good.
What is your favorite? Don't hurt me. Do you get the basket mo? Isang kasi wala na kami nito. Ubus na nito. Ayaw niya nito. It's not the same. Ciao, director. Actually, let's just fix it. What is the expiration? Expiration. There's no expiration. The next two days. Lumpia. Noodle. Where would they have this? Let's see. Tocino. Palabok. Sisig. Actually. Let's do this. Let's do this. I have sinigang ay ginisa. Okay. Sanji bar. That's it. Fried banana ketchup. Fried banana ketchup. Skaman natin si asawa. Corned beef. We have that. Yep. Sardines. Okay. Here inside bag. Gotta get mommy. Sweet chili. And then yep. Personal use. Okay. I have 50 fry here. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good for now.